You can move a domain name between Squarespace sites, as long as the domain is active and you have site owner or administrator permissions on both sites. As a note, the steps involved are different for Squarespace domains and domains registered via a third-party host. To move a Squarespace domain, open your domains dashboard. Click the domain, then click Move Domain. In the list, click the website you're moving the domain to. Then click Confirm. The domain should direct to the new site within 24 to 48 hours. To move a third-party domain between sites, you'll need to disconnect and reconnect the domain. First, open the Domains panel in the Settings menu. Then open the domain name. Click Disconnect Domain. On the new site, open the Domains panel in the Settings menu. Click Use a domain I own, then follow the prompts to connect the domain. If you're using Nameserver Connect, first change the domain's name servers back to default via your third-party provider before reconnecting it to Squarespace. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.